Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Keepa, and I'm going to explain all the different features on Keepa. So on my last video, I showed you guys Seller Amp, how it works, and all of the different features. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how Keepa works. So Keepa, if you guys don't know, is a software, or I think the most common software that Amazon sellers use. So it's really famous for its graphs. So this one, right? So it's a graph with different variations. So for example, the green line up here, it shows you the sales rank fluctuation on the product, right? So it just shows you the demand basically of the product. So if the sales rank is at a higher number, it means the demand is less. And if the sales rank is at a lower number right here, it means that the demand is increasing, right? So it's this one, it's the green line on Keepa, and then this one is the buy box. Another, I want to say, famous feature that people look at on Keepa, so buy box is a pink line right here. So it shows you the fluctuation of the buy box price of the product. So the buy box price is Amazon's price. So let me show you guys here. So this is the buy box. So sellers who have the buy box usually get the sale. So here on Keepa, you would see the fluctuation, right? Right there. You see how the price fluctuates up and down. And then also right there on that box, the pink box, you guys are going to see which seller made that sale, right, at a certain time. So for example, here at Bobby's Bargains got the sale, and then right there, J&R Distribution got the sale, and then right there it's Bobby's again, and then here Kirini's got the sale. So yeah, the pink line is for the buy box, and then this one is the new price. This one is the third party FBA new price. Here is FBM, so you guys can kind of play around the different features here or variations here. And then here it's showing the list price, eBay price. Yeah, but as far as me, I usually look at the ones I like to look at is usually the buy box price and the sales rank up here. And then here, the popular ones that people usually look at are the ratings. So these are the ratings of the products. So if you guys can see here, the ratings of this product is at 4.7. And then up here it goes up to like 4.8. And then the review count here shows you the amount of reviews this product is getting. So if it's trending up, it means that this product is getting a lot of good reviews from buyers right there. And then the new offer count is showing you guys the amount of sellers on this listing. So if you guys can see here, so here, right up here, or I'm sorry, down here, there's only 5 sellers, and then as you guys can see, it kept going up and up and up and up, and then here it went down. So it just shows you the fluctuation of the different sellers hopping on this listing there. And then the used offer count. Well, this one does not have a used listing, so it doesn't really show up. And then here it says the refurbished offer count, which also does not apply for this listing because this one is a brand new listing. This one's for the collectible one. And then here, if you click here, you can see the close-up view in this chart. And then here you can play around the different charts. So here you can zoom out to the year's chart. And then here you can zoom out to all of the historical data on this listing. And then here you can zoom into like a month, week, and then 1 day. But usually people, or at least me, I just usually stay within the 3 months range. And then if there's any suspicious data that I see on the chart, I usually zoom out to like a year chart to see like a full year, right? And then, if I'm really, really suspicious, then maybe I go all out right there. But yeah, I usually stay within 3 months. And then here it kind of shows you the fluctuation on the sales rank. So the current sales rank is here, right? So again, if the sales rank is on the higher side, it means demand is less. And if the sales rank is lower, it means demand is more. And then here it shows you the top percentage of the BSR. So I usually just stick within. So I usually go for BSRs that are at the top 1% or less, like this one right here. So yeah, it shows you the different sales rank in different time frames. So this one is the current sales rank, 90-day sales rank, and then a 1 year sales rank, right? Man, Keepa has a lot of features. So yeah, this one you can do your product research here. So in the future, I might do a Keepa product finder video. So here you can plug in different data points and then do product research based on different datas right here. And then, man, there's so much data here. So move myself. So here it gives you a lot more data, right? So if you guys want to go deeper on this product and look at more data, it's all here. So, man, the size of the product. I mean, buy box averages. Man, all of them are here. And then under offer count, you can see the different offers and just how many were sold, right, in a certain time frame. They're all here too. Stock history. Here you can see the review count of the different sellers. And then you can play around with different features. Like here you can click on Amazon Prime, free shipping, FBA only. And then here you can see the buy box statistics. So you can see like the most recent sales here. So for example, here, the seller just sold one right now. And then the seller just sold like a day ago right here. And yeah, there's a lot of features here. So here, buy box use statistics, variations are here. So for this product, there's different variations, right? So it shows you that the different ratings and percentages of each variation. Yeah, guys. Here is the Keepa affiliate program. So if you guys want to refer people, this is the link you use. Yeah, there's a lot more here, but I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And yeah, if you guys got value from my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and that way people like you who got value from my video can see this video, right? So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.